Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful fall wreath. I actually made this for my sister's baby shower, which turned out to be really great, and she loved it, so I was really proud of it, and I can't wait to make one for my home. So if you guys want to see how I made this beautiful wreath, make sure to stick around. And before we even get into the video, guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm already at 30, so we need 70 more of you guys to hit that subscribe button, and I can do my giveaway, which I'm really excited about because I will be picking 3 lucky winners and I will be doing it live. So you don't want to miss out on that. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so for this wreath, you're gonna need a wreath, which I got from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. You're gonna also need a letter. So I got mine from Amazon, but they do sell it at Michael's or Walmart, wherever you want to get it. You're gonna need some flowers, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And of course my trusty glue gun, and that's basically everything you're gonna need for this project. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove all the flowers and their little leaves. And you're just going to continue doing that until you get the desired amount that you need. I did kind of struggle trying to take this one out, so I said F it and got it out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just remove all the flowers. Alright, so now that you have all your flowers removed, we're going to start the gluing process. So pretty much you're just going to take any flower, you're just going to glue at the bottom, and then you're going to stick it right in. And I would definitely push it more, make sure it's nice and stuck in there, and you're just going to continue repeating the process with everything else. So I definitely like to mix match a little bit, so I put, you know, certain flowers together with some little accent flowers, so definitely do that. And then you guys will see what it'll look like once it's completed, because I don't want to bore you in watching me do the same thing over and over. But continue to watch. And here it is completed with the flowers. It's not complete totally yet, but pretty much this is what I did so far. And now I'm gonna take my letter H and pretty much glue it onto this. I was a little skeptical because I didn't know whether or not the actual glue will stick on this thing, but it did. So, you know, guys, go ahead and get yourself some glue and stick it right on. And note to self, if your letter is a little too heavy, it might not work that way, so you just have to find something that's a little more lightweight to actually glue onto this wreath. Alright guys, so that concludes our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I'm also excited because I usually bake. I do it mostly for family and friends. And you know, I decided that maybe I should bring that into my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how to DIY some awesome treats and stuff that you can make on your own. You don't have to ask a bakery to do it. You don't have to pay someone to do it. You can do it yourself. So until next time, guys, bye.